Understanding what your audience is searching for is key to creating content that resonates with them. When you grasp the intent behind their searches, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, increasing the chances of attracting the right audience. Many creators struggle with attracting traffic because they don't fully grasp what their audience is searching for, leading to ineffective keyword usage. This often results in content that misses the mark, failing to engage or convert. Without a clear understanding of keyword intent, your content strategy can become a shot in the dark. You're essentially guessing what your audience wants, rather than creating content that directly addresses their needs. The problem with not understanding keyword intent is that it can lead to a lot of wasted effort. You might be creating content that's not relevant to your audience, or using keywords that don't align with their search goals. This can be frustrating, especially if you're investing a lot of time and resources into your content. By not understanding keyword intent, you're also missing out on opportunities to connect with your audience and build a loyal following. If you're not careful, you might end up targeting keywords that are too competitive or too broad. This can make it difficult to rank for those keywords, and even if you do, it might not lead to the conversions you're looking for. Understanding keyword intent helps you avoid these pitfalls and create a more focused content strategy. I will explore the different types of keyword: intellectual, empathetic, and spiritual, and how to identify which ones align with your content goals. Intellectual intent is all about words, which are especially effective when offering products and services that require reasoning or careful evaluation. People searching with informational intent are looking for information, and your content should aim to educate or inform. Empathetic intent, on the other hand, is when users are searching for a specific website or resource. Heartfelt words which resonate with empathetic impact often bring out profound and strong positive emotional reactions. Spiritual words have the strongest potential for influence and often appeal to people at a very deep emotional level. Enlightenment is one example of a spiritual keyword. Realizing that targeting the right keyword intent can transform your content strategy and lead to higher engagement and conversions is a game changer. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can create content that speaks directly to their needs. This can lead to more conversions, whether that's selling a product, signing up for a newsletter, or simply engaging with your content. The key is to focus on the intent behind the keywords, rather than just the keywords themselves. By doing so, you can unlock a more effective content strategy that resonates with your audience. When you target the right keyword intent, you can increase your online visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately achieve your content goals. Understanding keyword intent is crucial for crafting content that meets your audience's needs and boosts your online visibility. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on SEO strategies and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.